Hey, today we are making Amita Chingada, an Assamese prawn dish. You can make this dish quickly as a starter or a main course using only 4 ingredients. Add hot water to some dry tamarind pulp. For 15 minutes, let this soak. To make tamarind paste, press the pulp with a fork. The next step is to clean and devein the prawns for marination. With your fingers, press the tamarind pulp and extract all its liquids into the prawns. Add sugar to balance away the tamarind sourness and soy sauce to flavor. Mix these ingredients and let them marinate for 15 minutes. Remember not to add extra salt as the salt from the soy sauce is enough. For cooking, take some refined oil in a hot kadhai. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated prawns individually without the marinade. Let the prawns fry on one side for 30 seconds on high flame. Stir fry them over a high flame, gently turning them over as they cook for the next 2 minutes. Do not worry about the dark coloration on the sides of the kadhai, as it is the sugar from the marinade caramelizing. Once the water content in the prawns has dried up, you can see that the oil has rendered out. Now add the rest of the marinade to the fried prawns. At this point, if you want more sauce, you can add more hot water. Scrape the sides of the kadhai and coat the prawns with the sauce, and we are done. We will serve them on a bed of hot white rice with the garnish of toasted sesame seeds and chopped spring onions.